Meet the IAX Intelligent Analyzer Express. It's the only universal rapid test reader. The IAX is built to be the ultimate analyzer for efficient diagnostic mass testing. It has precise test reading capabilities. The invention of the IAX in combination with OpenBio database and the OpenBio API combines a technology back-end and front-end to be able to do mass testing on a grand scale. It uses universal lateral flow assays from any vendor around the world and can be quickly deployed. At the hardware level, the IAX integrates a camera and a multi-color LED with diffusers and computes analytics using a powerful embedded computing board with an Intel Core CPU and Intel Iris Xe GPU to process massive test data in real time to assure accuracy beyond the capabilities of human eyes. We use the most accurate and efficient method to help reduce the burden on the medical professionals and assist the government to reduce the spread of infectious and vector-borne diseases like influenza, COVID-19, HIV, hepatitis, dengue, malaria, chikungunya, leishmania or Kala Azar and more. Patients can easily create Aadhaar card on Evalin DX EHR system. After registration, when the patient sample is collected, our secure process ensures complete anonymity. Reports are generated and delivered within a minute, ensuring a smooth end-to-end experience. Number 1. Use the scanner to scan the barcode or the Aadhaar card to obtain the patient's unique ID. Number 2. Apply the barcode label to the test cassette. Number 3. Collect the sample for rapid test. Developed test delivers results in about 15 minutes. Number 4. Insert the test cassette into the reader and accurately displays the qualitative as well quantitative results in seconds. One can also get the results through the API using third-party mobile apps or through the secure web portals. Evalin Healthcare has developed a highly scalable cloud platform in collaboration with AWS services integrated with LIMS and NHA's ABDM platform. This enables secure export and sharing of diagnostic test reports linked to the patient's Aadhaar card. The device and the solution fit perfectly within the guidelines offered by World Health Organization in conjunction with FIND for the functional requirements of lateral flow machine readers. Empowering India, empowering life.